What is the air conditioning capacity required to cool a room? The air conditioning capacity required to cool a room depends on several factors, including the size of the room, the number of occupants, the insulation of the room, the climate, and the heat-generating appliances or electronics present. To estimate the approximate cooling capacity needed for a room, you can use the following rule of thumb. Calculate the square footage of the room, measure the length and width of the room and multiply them to obtain the square footage. Consider the factors that affect cooling capacity. Based on the factors mentioned above, you may need to make adjustments to the cooling capacity. For example, if the room receives a lot of sunlight, has poor insulation, or has many heat-generating appliances, you may need a higher capacity AC. Determine the cooling capacity. Air conditioning capacity is typically measured in British thermal units, BTUs, per hour. As a general guideline, you can use the following rough estimates. Small rooms, up to 150 square feet 5,000 to 6,000 BTU, 1,400 1,700 watts. Medium rooms, 150 to 350 square feet 7,000 to 10,000 BTU, 1,800 2,900 watts. Large rooms, 350 to 550 square feet 12,000 to 18,000 BTU, 3,500 5,200 watts. Very large rooms, over 550 square feet 18,000 plus BTU, 5,200 watts. It's important to note that this is a general estimation, and other factors specific to your situation may influence the cooling capacity needed. It's recommended to consult with an HVAC professional who can perform a detailed assessment to determine the optimal capacity for your specific room and requirements.